Westinghouse. Okay, so we're here at the Wyndham Hotel at the Indianapolis airport in Indy. Look at this Westinghouse. Holy cow. You going down?
Yes.
You have a good one.
Thank you.
Wow, this was so unexpected. We have some original Westinghouses. That's amazing. There's a phone. Wow. There's no dinner bell by the looks of it. Wow. I think that indicator was replaced. It's got a pretty vintage cab. Heh, that's a fail. No handrail. That's wonderful. But wow, this was so unexpected to find a vintage Westinghouse right here. Completely epic. There it goes. That'll be it.